Welcome. In this video, I'll show you where to find your saved snipping tool screenshots. All right. So normally when you open up a snipping tool and you take a screenshot, like rectangle right here. All right. Take a screenshot. And then normally the image is not automatically saved as a file. All right. But it is copied to a clipboard. All right. So to save it, there are two ways. Right click and hit on Save As. Save it wherever you want. Or copy and then send it to Paint if you want to, or whichever software you're currently using. Like so. And just press on Control V. All right. Now what if you forgot to save it? Where do we find it? Usually there will be a copy of the snip that you captured. Just go to your File Explorer. Now locate Pictures. Now go ahead and find screenshots, okay? Double click. Now in here at the very bottom, as you can see, here I have the screenshot. And that's basically how you find it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.